Team delinquencies. We got Kelly Liljeblad in the brown bikini, weighing in at 115. We got Meg Dog in the flame bikini. She's raring to go. They're warming up. They're psyched. All right. Dude. We are looking at the World Championship team right here, okay? Gearing up for the 2016 Olympics in Rio de Janeiro. All right, girls. 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Oh. And there goes Kelly Liljeblad, and Megan is not following.
Okay, on the count of...
There we go. That was the warm-up set. Kelly did her half split, and she's taking recovery, and Megan is... Here she goes.
Oh, beautiful backstroke.
Her backstroke, I think, needs a little work.
Your teammate just kicked
There we go. And it's Megan's turn. There she goes. She keeps bailing, ladies and gentlemen. Not sure what's going on with Megan Riley there, but something appears to be wrong. Her technique is all off, and she seems to be throwing some cuss words out there. But there she goes. There she goes.
For the record, this is definitely a sport, guys. Heart rate maxed out right now.
Okay, it was a little disappointing performance, but I would expect a little bit better from world champions, but you know, they seem to be a little rusty. Either that or they just completely wasted. Okay, we're gonna check back in a little bit because I think Megan's drowning. I gotta go see her. I gotta go.